Dear students, welcome to Bishop Academy online classes. Student of class 12th in physical education. Today we are about to discuss over the combined tournaments, means to say league cum knockout fixture or tournaments and knockout cum league fixtures. So first of all, we have to get discussed over the league cum knockout tournament fixture. For it, first of all, we should draw league fixture for given number of teams. League fixture, as you already know it very clearly, in last video I taught you about making league fixture through two methods. First is cyclic method and second is staircase methods. After that, making this fixture, we have to select top performers team either by normal procedure or by British or American method of declaring winners. What these systems are? First, normally winner team of a match get 2 points. In case of draw, both teams get 1 point and team which get defeated in a match get 0 point. In British method, we have to calculate in British method, we have to just trace out total points obtained by a particular team, and after that we have to trace out the points that had been obtained by a particular team and then all possible points which a team could secure. As here you find that they are placed 10 matches, so maximum point which could be obtained by a team is 20 points. So we have to calculate it through total points obtained by a team and total possible points, and after that we have to multiply it with 100 and we get the value in percentage, and after seeing this percentage, those teams secure best percentage are considered as winner or best performer of the tournament. As you find here, in British method, winner are decided on base of number obtained through total points obtained are divided by the total possible obtained numbers and then it is multiplied by 100. The number which get is become the base for calculating the winner team. Those teams secure best grade or best percentage have more chance to be selected as the winner or the best performer of the tournament. In American method, here you find that in American method, here total matches won. The number of matches that has been won by a particular team, we have to write the number and after that total matches played by a particular team and then we have to multiply it with 100. Then what you get? The percentage once again, and this percentage considered as the base for selecting teams in league tournament. So here in league cum knockout fixture, we have to first of all go on with league tournament and after that we select 4 best team on the base of numbers obtained by them in league matches. Those who are best performers out of those 4 teams are selected and then we could draw a knockout fixture for these selected teams. For example, draw a league cum knockout fixture for 8 teams. Here we have to draw a fixture for 8 teams in league cum knockout way. So first of all we have to deal with league tournament fixture for 8 teams. So here we suppose 8 team A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Number of team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. As in staircase, I already told you that you have to write first team here and after that you have to arrange the team in prosperous way. After that every place you have to write team A. It is staircase method for drawing league fixture. After that every place you have to write B, and in the same way the next teams C, D, E, F, G and H. Next stair C and then D, E, F, G and H. Next stair after C, D, and after that after D it's the chance for E, F, G and H. Everywhere we have to write E, and once again at the next stage it is F, G and H, and in last there is G and H. So here you find the fixture for 8 teams drawn, and now we have to write, now we select 4 best performers teams out of this fixture. Suppose team B, E, G and H are best performer teams. Then we have to draw a knockout fixture for B, E, G and H. So I think you know the process of making knockout fixture for 4 teams. In it we have to select these teams in a sequence, and after that, as the number of teams is in perfect square of 2, that's why there is no need to deliver by. So plain matches would be held here. After that it is first round, and after that second or final round. The person which get victory in this knockout tournament become the winner of this league cum knockout tournament. Now the second option, that is knockout cum league tournament fixture. So here, as you see in the case of league cum knockout, first of all we draw the fixture of league tournament. Here the word that has been given in the beginning, that is knockout, means at the first time we have to draw knockout fixture. So here we should draw knockout fixture for given number of teams, and then all the teams that has been qualified for semi-final will play league matches with each other. All certainly in any fixture up to semi-final only 4 teams gone, and these teams have to play what? League tournaments with each other. And after that, when the fixture for these 4 teams arranged, we have to use either the cyclic method or the staircase method for arranging the team properly. And after that, we have to use any of these methods to declare the best performer of the league tournament, and the same thing as I told you before get printed here again. The question is, draw a knockout cum league fixture for 18 teams. So we have to about to draw this fixture for 18 teams. So here we dealt with knockout cum league fixture for 18 teams. So first of all we have to go on through knockout fixture, and certainly you know it very clearly. For knockout fixture we have to arrange all the 18 teams in descending order, that is team A, B, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here you find number of teams are 18, which is not a perfect square of 2. So 18 come after 16 and before 32. So we have to, as it is not in standard form, so here we have to calculate what? By. And for providing by, we have to calculate the number of by. So number of byes is equal 32 minus 18. How much it become? 14. So here we have to deliver 14 byes, and once again I repeat here that we have to subtract the number of teams from the nearest higher value of 2 to the power n. So higher value is 32, that is why we have to use here 32, and when we subtract number of team 18s from here we find 14. Here the number of team is even, that is why in both the groups same number of byes should be given, and for that we have to divide these teams in 2 groups. In each group there are 9 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we have to draw a dotted line. After that we have to start to provide byes. As I already told you, the first by has been given to the team at bottom. Here we provide by 1, and second by given to the team at the top. It is by 2. Third bye given to the team at the upper half, upper team at the lower half, that is by 3. And fourth bye given to the lower team in upper half, that is by 4. After that we have to continue this cycle. By 5, then by 6, then by 7, then by 8, then by 9, then by 10, then by 11, then by 12, then by 13, then by 14. All these 14 teams get bye in first round, so they didn't play in first round. Rest teams which do not get bye have to play in first round. So these teams remain, they play in first round, and here these teams remain, they play matches in first round. Winner of first round have to play together. Once again, these teams have to play, it is the second round. And then third round begin. Here you find 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 teams available. That's why we have to just stop the fixer here, and here we have to write suppose this is the result of the matches played in between these teams. So out of these teams we can suppose any one of the team would be a winner. Suppose team C is winner, and here in this group suppose G is winner, and in this group from J to N suppose N is winner, and out of this group O, P, Q and R suppose team O is winner. So now we have to draw a league fixture for team C, G, N and O. I think all of the students know to draw the fixture. Which type of fixture? League fixture for 4 teams. So you have to write here C, after that G, after that N and in last O. everywhere you have to write C. In first round, C have to play with G, C have to play with N, C have to play with O, and after that next round begin. Here C eliminated, and then G have to play with N and have to play with O. It is staircase methods, and after that G eliminated, N have to play with O. So this is the league fixer for 4 teams that has been selected, or you can say become winner or participate or qualified for semi-final. These teams are Team C, Team G, Team N and Team O, and as the type of tournament is knockout cum league. So knockout held here and here held league, and after that the winner ought to be selected by the procedure of league fixer procedure, either through British method or through American methods. Okay, here we could not write the winner. Here the things ought to be written. The team out of C, G, N and O which get maximum marks or points or percentile become winner. So here when you write entire these things, your fixer will be completed. The things you have to remember, that here you have to write suppose C is winner. It is very important that you have to write it. Okay, due to lack of space I write these places here. Certainly for this you have to use next page. Is that clear to you? Okay. Thanks for watching.